Hi, I'm Alan with Bluefrog Plumbing and Drain of North Dallas. What's that knocking sound just after turning on the hot water? Hot water is a critical component of your plumbing system, and if you have substandard pipes, you may be getting a little extra noise with your hot water. The heat in the water can cause pipes to expand and contract as they heat and cool. This can cause rubbing against the surrounding features and usually isn't a major cause for concern unless you see other additional issues. If you're remodeling, you might consider replacing these pipes or adding padding around them. Another way to adjust this is to lower your hot water temperature. Get more support from your local experts at Bluefrog Plumbing and Drain of North Dallas.